What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So, this is just going to be a quick update on the Amazon seller account. So, our last payment was $1,344.66. Our balance currently is $1,709.65. And check it out, guys. So, I don't know if you guys remember, I don't know if I made a video. Either made a video or I posted on Facebook. But basically, I showed you guys this stack of video games, and this was some of the games that was right here, and I actually bought them from Walmart for like $3-4, something around there. And of course, we sold them for much higher. So you can make a lot of money selling video games, even if you buy them from Walmart, Target, stuff like that. But the downfall when it comes to buying from Walmart, and especially Target, is that a lot of people, go and pick up those video games. So you have to wait for all the Moonfukis, to sell out, and then you can be able to get your full price. It's I mean, don't get me wrong. I love people who race to the bottom now. Like, I absolutely love those people because I legit buy up all their inventory. But I mean, like, at the same time, it's just so mind blowing. Like, out of all the businesses I've been in, literally every single business I have ever been in, there has never been people like Amazon FBA sellers. Like, not one. Amazon FBA sellers are literally the only people that willingly lose money. And it's like the most mind blowing thing ever. Like, they willingly lose money. Like, there isn't anyone that's doing retail arbitrage and stuff like that that loses money. Right? They give money away. There's a huge difference between losing money and giving it away. If you choose to drop your price because someone else dropped their price, you chose to give away that money. That simple. All right? Like, it's your product, and you're like, oh, well, I want to sell it for $29.99. Oh, well, so and so just came in and dropped theirs to 27. So I mean, I got to drop mine to 25. Oh, and now they're dropping it to 24. So I might as well drop mine to 20. And then it just goes all the way down to like they're selling it for like $5. Like, I've seen so many listings where people literally are losing money just with the Amazon fees alone. Like, they'll be selling a product for like $4 or $5, and Amazon might be charging $8 in fees. Like, how does that make any sense? You are like going beyond losing money. Like, it's just the craziest thing ever, But I mean, it is what it is. Like I said, I absolutely love the people who drop their price, because again, I love buying up their inventories. Like, they go out and do all that hustling and then give me a discount on top of the discount. So it is what it is. But check it out, guys. So far today, it's still pretty early, so we haven't gotten any sales yet. Last 7 days kind of lacking, but once today get some sales, it should be hitting that 4-figure mark again and whatnot. And these all be 4 figures here. But so for the last 30 days, we're at $5,153.15. So not bad at all. All right. And again, we started this account here with what, $300, something around there, a few months back. And I've documented everything, showing you guys step by step by step. You guys have seen me go to Walmart. You guys have seen me go to Target. You guys have seen me go to all of these stores and stuff. Like, I actually went to a few stores today. There's this product that's selling for 69¢, right, on sale. It's selling for 69¢, and on Amazon, it's selling for, I think it was like $12.99 or something like that. So I'm like, that's a ridiculous amount of return. Like, I think after all fees, I'm going to be in like $7-8 or something like that, and I'm spending 60. Well, it's a total of 68¢. Yeah, that's what it was. 68¢ per item, tax and everything included. That's not bad, right? So yeah, and it's ranked super low. So I mean, you guys just got to look around and stuff like that. I'm also about to buy a vehicle that's bigger. Because one, I actually ran into something with my Camaro. It's all good now or whatever, but that was like super scary because cosmetic stuff costs so much money on cars and stuff like that. So definitely buying another vehicle, getting a van, maybe a Nissan, or something like that, just something with like a huge amount of trunk space. So not to mention, I honestly just need one because I'm again doing repairs to the house and, remodeling and stuff. And it gets kind of old having to pay Home Depot $80 every single time I want a shipment of stuff in. So that's kind of ugly. So yeah, I'll let you guys know what I decide to get, probably going to pick up something this weekend or whatnot. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. You got any questions, simply drop them down below. Like I said, all this training here is in Landshark Profits. So that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you got any questions, simply drop down below.